guys, I'm going to be playing Madam Mystery 2. Choose our device. I'm obviously on the tablet. I'm waiting for my turn. Why is my avatar like this? No offense, well, the FIFA no because as you can see, I'm looking on the phone on my tablet because the phone is in the way. For the gun. Yeah, 999 Robux. In a certain, I wonder who got murdered on 3%. Okay, but anyway, let's go outside. If we die, it's definitely not going to be. How did I die, you guys? I literally jumped. Oh gosh, not this again. I think let's join a new server. And hopefully we get mad on our own. Greeting to get mad on. I am a Srry 2 by Nicholas. Loading data. Loading device time. Yeah. Respective. Respective is here. Well, I want to see who's mad. Yeah, on the same server. I think. And push this. And let's create a private server. Instead of creating a private server, I'm going to push cancel. Level. Guys, I think Wisdom is in here. Hold on, I'm not even lying, guys. I think Wisdom is. Hold on. Guys, we found a YouTuber in MM2. Do you know we're trying to server in position 1? That won't take long. I really wanted to be in Wisdom. Wisdom's MM2. That's fine. Okay, we're trying. The round has just started. I think so. Respect. Oh my god. Oh, is she a camper? Okay. Guys, she isn't a camper, which is super good. That look good. So instead of spectating, I'm very poor right now. Yeah, I think I'll pass them. I only need that. I only need that. I only need that. Wait, not that. I need this. I obviously radio, and the pet I need is the common egg. So like, sorry, I just covered my camera. One more stream. Okay, the round is starting. Innocent, are you kidding me? Let's hope Sheriff dies. And just one fucking line comes out. Okay, let's hope nobody comes. I don't know who just shot the gun then. Oh my actual let's get the egg out. And she landed in the splits, you guys. Okay. So my door had a wavy and Halo had a cover. Sheriff. Okay, I'm gonna go for the middle. Yeah, no. Hold on. And she put me on. Guys, I got innocent again. Do you see that game start? I'm still saying she got headless. Anyway, I cannot. Oh my god, somebody died, you guys. What was that? I think. Oh, I thought she was that. Oh, that's it. As soon as he jumped out, somebody died. Wait a minute, guys. It's definitely that one. Okay, no, y'all, it isn't. Sorry. Oh my god. You were thinking. Okay. I literally died for no reason. Where's my egg toy gone? So that's uncomfortable face. Who would buy that? Look how much the knife is. Who would buy that? Who would on earth buy all three? I'm broke. I literally only have 70 something Robux. So 90. You need edition 99. Wait, I have one. Where's my Robux card? I'm gonna give it to someone and please no name. Oh wait, Javik is already on here. No need. You know, I'll do that after the round actually. Like, cause yeah, I'll just do it after the round, you guys. But anyway, joining Davik again. Honestly, he joined me actually. Or I think he friended me, but who matters and who cares? But anyway, this is my second or third time joining round 2. Got the murderer again with this sticker. Knife. Do y'all see that? The sticker knife? Yeah, you can't really see it. Did he take it out? Look. The sticker knife at the back. There with the fire flame, and then he's got the beluga. I mean, watermelon gun. I don't know what one that is, but look, I told you guys that was a sticker. I'm literally bald. Everyone see my head first. No. I guess we'll go from mansion. Right, okay, where's this factory, please? Factory. Okay. If y'all don't know about the secret spot, it's actually just in here. I'm gonna put a lock in. I don't like this game. I always get innocent. It's not fair. If y'all don't know about this one, don't like fake amateurs. Like the real ones, bye. I guess you wonder what happened. Will it say I've joined him? No, it didn't. Guys, no one's even voting. No base. Guys, no base is a map. Yes. I'm going for no base, which was right there. No base was right here. Wow. Hopefully not yet. But I'm innocent because I always got innocent on them. I told you guys. I don't dare take that corner. Okay, I've already got sheriff. I don't know his murderer, do I? Not the I thought that Billy guy was in. Okay, now that we've got this guy following me and blah blah blah. Oh no, give me the corner. You're so mean. I'm gonna put his side face. He literally took the gun. Oh my god, no offense, but he definitely should have took the gun because I didn't know. I did. What was that? Did y'all just see what that girl was? If y'all want to do a face reveal, I'll actually do a face reveal once I hit 200 subscribers or whatever. I don't really care how many subscribers I get, just like over 50, and I will do a face reveal. Even if it's 50, I'll still do a face reveal. Oh my gosh, sorry about that. Sorry guys, my dad is sleeping. He's in the next room next to me. He left his door open. And yeah, he's not so loud, so I'm so sorry. But anyway guys. Look at our percentage of being the murderer. Legit 6. Hey bro, stop man. Ha, that's what you get, bro. I'm gonna kill you. Oh no. But what the fudge? Nah. Nah. Guys, I don't like MM2 anymore. From now on, I'm playing any other game except MM2. Come back for a probably Brookhaven or a Dotney or Evade. Or I can do Spray Paint. So pick Brookhaven, Adopt Me, Evade, or Spray Paint. Or Tower of Hell. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye.